Switch on the iCompanion XL. Ensure your device is Bluetooth enabled and ensure your device is close to the iCompanion XL for initial pairing. Launch the app on your device and select your appliance. When prompted by the app, press and hold the timer button of the iCompanion XL for 4 seconds. The connection indicator will blink for 30 seconds while iCompanion XL connects to your device. Accept the pairing request displayed on your device. Once the connection indicator is permanently lit, it indicates that the connection has been established. The connection has been successful. The icon shows that the connection has been established. Once you've connected, you can scroll through hundreds of recipes for inspiration. Once you choose a recipe, press play and the app will guide you through the recipe steps, and the iCompanion XL will adjust the cooking steps automatically. Once the device and the iCompanion XL have been paired, the iCompanion XL will automatically recognize the device next time you switch them on.